Good morning. I'm going to stand right in front and I'm going to back up. So, well, I guess you get the gist. The milk thistle is over 6 feet tall. I'm like 5'8". And yeah. Yeah, this must be time to collect. Okay, now I'm going to move back. This is my milk thistle bush. And right behind it, that's my bay leaf tree. And then I have all the hidden clovers inside, which are for the lymph nodes, something like that over here. And then the other medicinal flowers there. So I'm pretty much so packed. And probably some type of a grain. And we just have everybody else, which we'll probably cut them up some. Cut them up some grass. Where you at, baby? Mulberry. And that's pretty much so the update. I mean, my yard's on the other side, as you can see. And figs, apricot, hazelnut, a special type, another purple. I was trying to do compost over there, but all right. Well, look at the size. This is a far out stock. I mean, it's pretty thick. You can't even see. All right, everybody, take care now.